Hi everyone, Carol Ibbotson here again, and today I'm going to show you my maze bag. It's a very robust bag because it is reinforced, which we'll see in a minute. It has a button closure here, and it has long handle, which you can put over your shoulder, which again is reinforced with cord, or you can use a short handle. Now this short handle is also reinforced with craft wire, so it will sit up itself, it won't collapse, and it would just stay like that, making your bag look lovely. So let's just see how much you can fit inside and what else there is. So open the button and we have a lining inside. The lining I chose for mine is a bit of a strange colour for this bag, but let me show you a bit more now about what's included in the kit. So there is reinforcement on the bottom of the bag there, which you can hear there's quite a lot in this bag, but it doesn't collapse at the bottom at all. There's reinforcement along the sides as well, so it will stand up. Stands up on its own without any problem at all. So the reinforcement is this plastic mesh that I like to use, which also means the whole thing is washable. You also get cord included in the kit if you buy the kit, which goes inside the long handle, and all the instructions are in the pattern for that, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. Here's the craft wire that's included to pop into this short handle to make that nice and sturdy. We've got a handmade with love button, which is slightly different to the one here that comes in the kit, and some lining material. Here's the pattern. If you're just interested in buying the pattern on its own, you can do that. So it's fully explained, and if you've never done mosaic crochet before, there's lots and lots of diagrams in here to help you understand how to work it. There's diagrams of how the whole bag is constructed, which is from the bottom up, so you work that bottom section first. There's written instructions as well as charts, so you've got both ways, whichever you prefer to work from when you're making something. There's also full instructions on how to construct the bag after you've finished and how to put a lining in. So all of that is included in the kit. There's an example of working around a cord to make the handle. Finally, let me just show you the amount of stuff I've got in here, and it's really nice and sturdy. So I've got a big purse there. I've got some keys, I can hear jangling, there's some keys. I've got various lipsticks, probably a mask somewhere in here as well. Here we go, all sorts of stuff in there. Now, if you prefer not to have the big handle or not to use the big handle for one particular time you're out with this bag, then you can just pop it inside. It's designed so that it will fit inside without showing, and then you can just carry these lovely little handles about with you. And don't forget, it does stand up on its own. It's perfectly robust bag, and I think it's quite pretty, and it's one of my most popular designs. So there you go. You can either have a pattern or a kit. If you'd like a kit, there are 10 different colours available. I'll just pick one of these to show you what this yarn is like. It is 24/7 cotton by Lion brand, and it is a really, really good quality cotton because it doesn't split at all, and it's got a nice sort of shimmery effect to it. So there's 10 colours available. So have a look at coolwool.net, that should say dot, not slash, coolwool.net/shop, and choose pattern or kit. And I'll also put that in the description. Thanks very much, everyone. Bye.